Welcome to Cooking with Math, a cooking show where you use math to cook. Here are our contestants.
Hi, I'm Abby, aka Taco. I'm very passionate about tacos. I love everything about tacos, from meat to lettuce to tomatoes. I'm hoping to win this so that I can buy all the tacos in the world.
Hi, I am Jennifer and I am a grade 5 teacher at Forest Hill Elementary School. I'm hoping to win this competition for my students.
Today you'll be cooking chicken. You have 1 hour. It begins now.
So it takes a simple exponent. I'm doing 4 to the power of 2.
I'm going with a harder exponent since I know that Taco's going to do an easy exponent, so I'm going to do 9 to the power of 2.
Taco, let's see your dish.
Okay, so I chose 4 to the power of 2, so it equals 8.
Sorry, Taco. That doesn't seem right. It's a bit dry. 4 to the power of 2 is actually 16, not 8. You added 4 plus 4. That's not right. It's supposed to be multiplication. Now, Jennifer, let's see your dish.
I chose a harder exponent, so I chose 9 to the power of 2, which equals 81.
Very good. That's actually right. Correct. 9 to the power of 2 is in fact 81 because you didn't multiply it. Congratulations, Jennifer. You're the winner.
Hey Taco, you want to go to the taco shop that just opened down the street?
Sure, tacos for everyone.
Yay!
Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Like
and
and
subscribe.